Hello students, welcome to the mathematics class. Today we are going to learn how to measure capacity. In the previous video we have learned how to measure the length of any object and the weight of any object. Hardik saw a milkman measuring milk with some container. He was carrying many containers, small and big, with him. Hardik came back home and asked his mother. His mother explained him about measurement of capacity. Now, let us study about measurement of capacity. What is capacity? Substances like water, milk, oil, petrol, etc. are called liquids. In our daily life, we measure the quantity of various liquids such as oil, milk, etc. To know what is capacity, let's do one activity. Take a jug and a glass. Fill the jug with water. Now pour the water from the jug into the glass till the glass is full. But water is still left in the jug. Clearly, the glass can hold less water than the jug, or the jug can hold more water than the glass. We say that the capacity of the glass is less than the capacity of jug. The quantity of a liquid that a container or a vessel can hold is called its capacity. So, the capacity of a container tells us how much a liquid it can hold. Earlier people used to measure liquids by cups and glasses, which did not give an accurate measurement. So, to measure capacity accurately, we used standard unit. The standard unit to measure capacity is liters and milliliters. Milliliter is written as ml and liters as L. Now, what is the relation between liter and milliliter? 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. We use different vessels to measure liquid. In the picture, you can see oil and petrol are measured by standard sized vessels. Milk and water are measured by standard sized vessels shown in the picture. We measure small quantity of liquid in milliliters. For example, dose of medicine to be given as injection to a patient like 1 ml, 2 ml, 5 ml, 10 ml. Milk to be given to an infant in a feeding bottle like 100 ml, 200 ml, 250 ml. Cough syrup or any tonic that we buy from a chemist shop like 40 ml, 50 ml, 100 ml, 200 ml. Fruit juice, ink pot or ketchup that we buy such as 400 ml, 500 ml. Large quantities of liquid are measured in liters. For example, water in a bucket such as 5 liter, 10 liter, 20 liter. Milk that we buy daily such as 1 liter, 2 liter, 3 liter, 5 liter. Oil or ghee in large pack or tin such as 5 liter, 10 liter, 15 liter. Oil in big tankers such as 400 liter, 600 liter, 800 liter. Now let's learn how to add capacity. To add two or more capacities in liters or milliliters, we simply add the numbers and write the unit. If the given capacities are in combined units, we arrange them in two columns of liter and milliliter and then add them separately. For example, if we have to add 24 liter 65 milliliter and 12 liter 32 milliliter, first we write these numbers in column and then add separately. 24 liter 65 milliliter plus 12 liter 32 milliliter. First we add milliliter. 65 milliliter plus 32 milliliter is equal to 97 milliliter. Now we will add liter. 24 liter plus 12 liter is equal to 36 liter. So the answer is 36 liter 97 milliliter. Now let's take another example. 17 liter 58 milliliter plus 10 liter 11 milliliter. We will write in columns and add them separately. First we will add milliliter. 58 milliliter plus 11 milliliter is equal to 69 milliliter. Now we will add liter. 17 liter plus 10 liter is equal to 27 liter. The answer will be 27 liter 69 milliliter. Now let's learn how to subtract. We have to subtract 20 liter 47 milliliter from 31 liter 89 milliliter. First we will arrange this number in column. Now we will subtract milliliter. 89 minus 47 is equal to 42. Now we will subtract liter. 31 minus 20 is equal to 11. So the answer will be 11 liter 42 milliliter. Now let's subtract 54 liter 20 milliliter from 94 liter 32 milliliter. First we will arrange this number in column. Now let's subtract milliliter. 32 minus 20 is equal to 12. Now subtract liter. 94 minus 54 is equal to 40. The answer will be 40 liter 12 milliliter. Now can you tell whether these quantities are small or large? Can you try to tell the standard unit in which we measure these quantities? The first is a petrol tank of a car. The petrol tank of a car is large. So the larger unit to measure liquid is liter. The second is a glass of mango juice. It will be measured in milliliter. A bottle of eye drops. It is measured in milliliter. A bucket full of water. It will be measured in liter. Now let's choose the correct capacity and circle it. The first is a cup of tea. What will be the capacity of a cup of tea? 100 ml or 1 liter. The capacity of cup will be 100 milliliter. Second is a oil tanker. The capacity to hold oil will be 600 liter. The next is your school bottle. The capacity to hold water will be 1 liter. Next is a Coca-Cola bottle 500 ml or 500 liter, and the correct answer will be 500 ml or milliliter. The next is a tin of Asian paint. What will be its capacity? 100 ml or 20 liter. The answer will be 20 liter. There is an activity for you to develop measuring skills of length, weight and capacity. Also to show that an object can have length, weight and capacity. Collect different kinds of objects from your home like pen, pencil, eraser, water bottle, lunch box, pencil box, notebook, school bag, etc. Observe these objects carefully and check whether their length, weight or capacity can be measured. Record your observation in your maths copy. Also, write the unit in which the objects can be measured.